guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your girl Santhya. As you can already see, we are jumping straight into the video. Now this hairstyle took about 2 days to complete because we started around 8 p.m. and stopped around 12 we stopped around 12 oh my gosh, what is 12? We stopped around 12 a.m. to go hang out with friends and stuff like that, so and then the next day we continued around 7:30 in the morning, had a couple snap breaks, and we finished around 2 p.m. Now this is my second time doing this style, so if there's anything that I've done wrong, go ahead and point it out in the comments, help a girl out. But yeah, I hope you guys either learned something or this helps you if you're trying to do someone else's hair or you're trying to do your own hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. Can't wait to share more hair videos with you guys, so stay tuned.
Blank Beats Production.
Josh P, what it do? Josh P, what it do?
Nice.